Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code for a Google Sheet. Anyone who scans the QR code will be able to open your Google Sheet using the link you share. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheet. Now click on the Share button in the top right corner. Under General Access, change the permission to anyone with the link if you want others to be able to open the sheet. Then click Copy Link. Now open your browser and search for Free QR Code Generator. Open any trusted QR code generator website. Paste your Google Sheet link into the URL field. If you want, you can customize the color or design of the QR code. Once you are done, generate the QR code and download it to your device. Now, when someone scans the QR code, it will open your Google Sheet. So this is how you can create a QR code for a Google Sheet. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.